Hello and welcome to the HSE Coach. If you are looking to download safety ebooks for NEBOSH, IOSH, OSHA, ASP or CSP, you are in the right place. Let's dive into these simple steps to get your ebooks. First, head over to our official website hsestudyguide.com or the hsecoach.com. Once you are on the home page, you will notice the menu at the top. Click on the shop tab to access our collections of ebooks. In the shop sections, you will see a variety of ebooks available, including NEBOSH, IOSH, OSHA and more. For example, if you are interested in the NEBOSH International Diploma ebook, simply click on it to view more details. You will find important information about the ebooks, including its market value and the special discounted price we offer. To purchase, click on Add to Cart. You can continue shopping or proceed directly to checkout by clicking the View Cart. At checkout, just fill your name, email and payment details. Indian customers can pay by using Razorpay, while international buyers can use PayPal. Once your payment is confirmed, you will get an instant download link on the order confirmations page, and a copy of the link will also be sent to your emails. Now you have your ebook ready to study. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the HSE Coach for more safety tips and resources. See you in the next video.